Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to invite friends on DICE streams. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your DICE streams application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are signed into the game, simply tap on the menu bar at the top left hand corner, and from the expanded menus, tap on Invite Friends. In order to invite a friend, tap on the Invite option at the bottom and select one of your friends from the list. Or you can also go ahead and choose one of these social networking applications and find a friend you would like to send the invitation to and tap on their name to choose them and tap Send. Soon after, you send the invitation to the person, and once they join in with your invitation, you will be able to add them as your friend on DICE streams. So that is how you will be able to invite friends on DICE stream within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.